My practice is an integrative practice where I combine elements of Western practice, which is conventional veterinary practice, and traditional Chinese veterinary medicine. I look at my patients' health care from a little bit of a different perspective to try to yield a deeper evaluation of their health problems. My dog is Cardiff. He's a 6-year-old Welsh Terrier, and he has a disease called immune-mediated hemolytic anemia, or IMHA, which is a disease where the immune system gets over-responsive and destroys red blood cells. So Cardiff has had this disease 3 times in his 6 years of life. It's now essentially in remission with a combination of Western approach and the Eastern approach. I first discovered the Reishi with green tea product from I Love Dogs about a year ago, and that was when Cardiff was in the recovery process from his latest episode of IMHA. And at the time, because he was immunosuppressed, he had developed 4 very nasty canine papillomas, or warts, at the sites where he was shaved for his IV catheters. I was looking to see what I could use to try to get his immune system to respond a little bit better to infectious organisms, so I started using the I Love Dogs Reishi supplement, and within probably about 3 to 4 weeks, the warts literally just dried up and fell off, and typically it takes somewhere between 1 and 3 months for papillomavirus to resolve, so I was very impressed with the outcome of the product, and so I use it for immune system support for a lot of my animal patients. It's a little compressed tablet in a little blister seal pack that's size appropriate for him, so it's very easy to give him. He either takes it right out of my hand or I crush it and put it into his food. I attribute Cardiff's response to IMHA to the I Love Dogs Reishi with green tea supplement. He's responded much better than he has when he previously had an outbreak of the illness once I started him on the I Love Dogs supplement. I recommend the I Love Dogs Reishi with green tea supplement to any of my patients that need immune system support. These might be older dogs that have chronic inflammation or chronic infection, dogs that have cancer, animals that have had traumatic injuries and are recovering from a traumatic illness and they need their full immune system to support them in the process. Those are all patients that I use the I Love Dogs Reishi with green tea supplement for. Other products that I use from I Love Dogs for my animal patients include the multivitamin, which is great for all stages of life for general dietary support. I also use the product for joint support that has glucosamine and chondroitin sulfate. All products are very palatable and very easy for patients to take.